Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clap quietly, and this will be a super easy tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to clap quietly, this is the video for you. I'll be going over the specifics. I'm going to try and keep this video short, sweet, and straight to the point, so pay attention, take notes, try it out, and hopefully you can make use of these instructions, and hopefully this can work for you as well. Excuse me. Sorry about that. But anyways, now that I've excused myself, we're going to move on. So clapping quietly is really, really easy to do, okay? And I'm going to give you two variations. One is going to be an extremely quiet clap, basically as quiet as possible for the most part. And the second is going to be still a quiet clap, but not extremely quiet, just pretty quiet, okay? So if you want the quietest clap, basically, that you can produce for the most part, like I'm not talking about, of course there are quieter ways to do it, but like for the most part, this is basically the most realistic, quietest clap that you can do. Okay, what you want to do is get your hands like this, get them, open like this, and sort of keep your hands like kind of stiff for the most part, palms open like that, and fingertips to fingertips, you're gonna just tap lightly. Just like that. Quiet clap. That's basically as quiet as it's gonna get. Okay, unbelievably quiet right there. Fingertips to fingertips. And you can go a little bit to the side, that's fine too. On an angle, straight, together, lined up, whatever. But fingertips to fingertips is gonna be basically the quietest thing that you can do, okay? The other way, which is a little bit louder, but it's still quiet, is same idea. Right? So open palms, keep your hands nice and open, nice and stiff. And then you want to basically get your fingertips to the palm, but you're going to do it gently. That produces that little sound. So it's a little bit louder, but only a little bit louder than the last option. But definitely still a quiet clap. And the key is where you're using very gentle pressure. Very gentle pressure. You're not going to be, and I'm going to do a loud clap now. You're not going to be, that's a lot of force. That's a lot of pressure. We're using gentle force, okay, to get that quiet sound. And same thing, you can go on an angle, like you can go completely in this direction like this, a bit on an angle, line it up, very soft, very gentle, very light touch. And that's how you get that quiet clap. So I've shown you two different versions of how to clap quietly. Hopefully you can make use of them whenever you might need to. I don't think it's like clapping quietly. I can't think of many situations that would require, but I'm sure there are a few that would require a quiet clap. So hopefully you can make use of it whenever you need to use it. Simple as that. Okay. I'm sure, I can't remember if I've clapped quietly, but I'm sure I've clapped quietly at some point. I'm sure I've been in a situation where I've needed to clap quietly at some point for something. I'm not sure. So anyways, hopefully you can use these methods whenever you need to use them, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else, so with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.